Morning, guys. Today is actually not the hunter day, but yesterday was the hunter day, and so I got this Hunter 350 from Royal Enfield for a ride, which me and my son are going to in some time. We had to meet at the riding point, the meeting point at 7:30. We are at home. Because of rains, we did not leave the house at all. I'll reach there in 15-20 minutes probably, and then let's see how many people have turned up because of the rains and all. The ride is not that far. We just have to go somewhere up to Lonavala and back. This particular bike is a little crazy. Oh, low battery signs already. Why? No, it started. So I'll let the bike warm up and then we'll move in sometime. I love this smooth RE engines these days. RE has come a lot way ahead, improving things. Though there are niggles, but it has come a long way really. And again, it is such a nice feeling to ride on an empty stretch. Otherwise, this is filled with traffic every day. And because of the rains, there's a lot of other nuisance these days. Potholes, these wrong sides, waterlogging, people moving here and there. And in that, small bikes like these, are a boon. They've got enough power to pull you with a pillion. Oh god. And short enough, small enough to dodge the traffic. Not dodge exactly, but squeeze in through multiple points and get out. See, I can do this very easily. Superb machine, man. I wish I had a lot of money and I could own multiple. See, this is what I was talking about. They have fixed the road maybe at night and they've put road blockers in between so that no one goes over that. I'm again wearing the ETC Gear Rover today, so I'll get the third feedback. The first two ones were quite positive. First day I wore it with slight off-roading, and I wore it the whole day to break in, and I was using and removing the shoe like for an hour or so, and then removing, just while walking around and all. And next I took it to the Aravi beach ride, vlogs for which will come out soon, and today is the third ride. ETC Gear Rover is the shoe name. Wow. It's the destination, not destination, sorry, the meeting point. Wow, it's good to see so many bikes together. 125, 50 bikes easily. Prem is also taking shots. Rains have stopped all of a sudden. I hope we have a dry climate today. Instructions. Up, and we're going to start in a double file. We can open out to single file. We can open out to speeds where there is open space, and if there is tight space, then we have to move to single phase wherever there is a tight road or there is less space. Hey, nice bike. Where did you modify it? Autolog. Nice. That's Alex, by the way. Cameraman, and they are recording us. We are recording them. Rains have started. Logging everywhere. So we are crossing Talegaon right now. I think more 20 kilometers. We have reached the venue. Hashtag a shot of Mumbai, a shot of Pune, and the location is Pali village near Lonavala. We've got the food coupons, stickers and whatnot from there, something from there, and we've got this bands also from Royal Enfield. Almost I think 65-70 bikes. Let me show you the bikes. Parked all neatly. That's Pali village. We've got decent amount of parking over here. You can at least park, I think, 1,000 bikes maybe. Not 1,000, maybe 500 easily. This is an interesting Hunter. This is Alex's Hunter. I'm going to be making a detailed vlog on this, and this is another one which has got a bigger visor. I think it is from the Himalayan. Shield up front. Nice guards. I think they are from Classic 350 or something. And the exhaust seems to be something different and quite long. It was sounding really good. Saddle stay, stop rack. From the far, I mean, I couldn't recognize it is a stock Hunter. He's put in bigger shocks also at the rear. So from far, the bike was looking a bit long. Seat has been modified. It has been made flat because the guy was riding quite tall. I mean, he was quite above us. Handlebar has been modded. It's a rally type handlebar. Nice mods. So the fork complete is of Meteor, okay, and the wheel is of Meteor too. If you look at the size, this is the stock Hunter at 17. This is Meteor. So the whole bike, looks really perfect. While he was riding also on the highway, he works for Royal Enfield, okay, and he's done all the mods. And that's the original RE exhaust, by the way. You can see the branding. 450 saddle stays. This is the breakfast area. And look at this, so beautiful. The venue is just nice. I'm loving it. You got Lord Shiva ka idol here. There's kind of laughing Buddha there. Breakfast has started. We gave the coupons here and puri bhaji, sandwich, chutney sauce. तीनों बैठ के मस्त we are enjoying. Alex की थर्ड प्लेट है. चौथी. I mean, everything is really well managed. And look at the clouds up there. I'll try to take some close shots after I finish my breakfast. Breakfast is done. We are all out. Celebrations हो रहे हैं. शायद केक भी कट कर लिया है. I got a bit late. All are enjoying. The rains are so crazy that it is falling for 5 seconds, then again gone, then again falling. We are running around. When we came, we were just 70-ish from Pune, but when Mumbai guys came, there were almost like 150 plus bikes over here. Parking went right up to there. And RE had also got the service team. This is the service bike from RE. It provides doorstep service and emergency breakdowns. It comes beautifully done, and they have free engine, the chain lube and cleaning, at least lubing for whoever wants to get it done free of cost. So good gesture by RE for organizing this ride and getting us here and providing this service. Sanju bhai's friend, and he was doing all wheelies, not wheelies but donuts over here, and Alex also asked him to do a donut. They were doing it for long over here for official RE shoot and all. Oh, this place actually is very swampy kind of. While we were entering also, we were just like falling in ditch, so he's not able to do a proper donut. It gets stuck. Completely drenched, so then landed to Orlog. I had to pick up my bike, Hunter. So my son is now riding the Hunter, and that would be our day. We enjoyed the complete event Lots of bikes. Ari's courtesy. Good breakfast. Hotel was good. Location was good. We got some stickers. I forgot to show that. Maybe I'll put some pictures somewhere. But anyways, I'll end the vlog here and see you in a new one very soon. Like, share, subscribe.
I didn't wanna see you when you came home, 'cause you always try to hurt me and that